Welcome back to Unicorn. Today I'm going to show you my trip to Los Angeles. There were some nice scenic places and agricultural scenes on the way. Took about 6 hours from where I was. Ate Indian food for dinner. That night, I went to the Hall of Fame. And I saw Sofia Vergara, known as Gloria from Modern Family, star. You might know why I put the song as the background music. Saw some beautiful viewpoints near the Hollywood sign. Went near Beverly Hills and saw some shops. Went to Long Beach and went on a cruise that gave a tour of the city. Saw 4 man-made islands. Next, I went to Alamitos Beach. Took a hotel in Long Beach to stay for the night. From the windows, I could see nice views, and this is what I ate for breakfast. From the hotel, I went in a car to the Huntington Beach. However, the weather was terrible. It was like drizzling and it was very cloudy. The waves were so pretty, but loud. This is the Huntington Beach, local to Long Beach residents. Went to Warner Brothers and took the studio tour. Saw the settings of Friends and other shows that were taking place there. Saw the costumes actors wore while acting. After the Warner Brothers tour, I stopped at Bakersfield, and then the Los Angeles journey has ended. It was raining so much on the way. If you drive too fast, then the water would splash right next to you. Please subscribe.